Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Right now I'm doing part 2 of my spring release Mamby haul. So if you haven't caught the first part of it, I will link it up here in the corner in a little card so you can start there. That's where I show you everything in my haul and I go ahead and flip through the sticker books. So these are the 2 planners that I did order, and in my first video I talked about how I'm going to Franken plan, but we're just going to do a real quick flip through. This is a vertical planner. This is called Wild Styled, and it does come on deluxe rose gold discs. I'm going to change the discs out and use my black classic metal disc that I got on my mom planner. So this is your cover page, and then we have 2020, 2021. And then we go into like our perpetual calendar for pre-planning. They have like this almost muted kind of greenish yellow color to mark your weekends. So I'm going to go through July, and then I'll just show you the dashboards or the monthly dividers for the rest of the months. So this is rose gold foiling. It says always believe in your wildest dreams. Your currently page here is pretty basic, nice and neutral. That's why I like these planners so much. So you can see your monthly here is very neutral. You just have this little bit of pink, but very easy to decorate any kind of color scheme you want. And then it goes into this nice, smooth, clean looking vertical layout. I'm going to be pulling the vertical pages out and Franken planning with a dashboard layout. So you'll see that in another video. Then we go to our currently page here. So now I'm just going to show you the dashboards. So this is August, and this has got rose gold foiling. September, there's no foiling. It says beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Then we have October. I'm not crazy about this leaf here. We'll see what I decide to do. I may try to use a divider out of this planner to use for October. We'll see. I haven't decided yet. This says nothing is impossible. The word itself says I'm possible. I like that. And then this is more leopard print with the rose gold foiling. More rose gold. It says success is most often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. And then we have, this is no foiling. It says you are fearlessly authentic. This is really pretty with this muted pink color, like blush pink. This dashboard is actually cut wonky here. You see how it's not it's not lined up with my page. That's kind of funky. I wonder if they didn't cut anything off here, but it's just kind of wonky. It says don't be like the rest of them, darling. Then we have this really pretty kind of muted pinkish color, wild and free to be me. This is really pretty. This is rose gold. It says fashion fades, only style remains the same. Always be the leading lady of your own life. Fill your heart with what's important and forget the rest. This is really pretty rose gold coppery foil, like a zebra pattern. There's no foil on this one. No foil on this one. It says find your wild. This is really cute zebra pattern here. Although I walk with grace, I have a mighty roar. Oh, and then December 2021 says elegance never goes out of style. So then our inside of both covers, front and back, have this pretty black and white, and then this is your back cover. So that is going to be Franken planned with this. This is the new black and white neutral dashboard planner. It is a deluxe planner. It comes on gold deluxe discs. So this is your cover with gold foiling. Be wild and wander. This is your cover page, and then it also has the 2020, 2021 calendars. And I think I'm going to use this perpetual calendar because I just like the gray weekends. I'm going to go for less color in my planner now. So this is July. It says love my life with gold foiling. Same, almost the same neutral currently page as the Wild Style planner. Then your monthly here just has this little black dot, almost like paint spray, and this little bit of pink here. So it's very easy to do your own color scheme here. And then this dashboard layout, I love it. The only color is this focus box down here, and this is going to be very easy to cover up. So it is different than the home body because it's going back to the calls and emails and bills to pay here, but we have errands and to buy, so I may have to tweak that a little bit, but I love the neutrality of this planner. So now let's just go through the dashboards. This says, it's your journey and your heart knows the way. Be your own happy. Bloom and grow, be strong, and know you're beautifully you. Fill your head with dreams and your heart with wonder. I actually kind of like this whole planner more than I do the wild style. So it's going to be fun deciding what I decide to use and what I don't use. This is just some really pretty, almost like geometric chevron pattern. This is gold. It says, always believe something wonderful is about to happen. This is cute here. Just black and white, very simple, very dainty. Another very simple dashboard here. Stop saying I wish and start saying I will. So that's pretty. Trust your soul. All of these dashboards, it seems like this one is miscut. I don't know. Do you see how that's sticking out on the edge there? Maybe I'm just noticing it more with this planner, with these planners. It could be the same case in all of my planners. I'm not sure. This is a geometric pattern with gold foiling. More gold foiling. This says, do good and good will come to you. Let today be the start of something new. We rise by being kind. Be afraid and do it anyway. And then we have this leaf with the gold foil, leaf pattern. And I did the same thing. There's December 2021. Never be afraid to try something new because life gets boring when you stay within the limits of what you already know. I'm one of those people. I stay on the safe side. I don't like trying new things unless it's stickers. And then this is your back notes page, and your inside cover just has this simple black stripes. And this is your back cover. So now let's go ahead and open up. This is my little happy notes with the coppery rose gold foiling. Let's open this up. Sorry about the noise. So we have dotted lined paper. This inside cover is very pretty. There's something weird about it right there. I don't know what that orange blob is, but I don't know if you can see it. So the pages actually have this really cute outline of this pink outline floral. And it comes on these corally colored pink plastic mini discs. So all the pages are the same. This is your inside back cover, and then your back cover is this detailed florals. So it's just very pretty. I'm just basically using this for a note sheet. I don't really have any purpose for it. Now let's go ahead and open up this classic size wild styled accessory pack, because when I get a new planner I have to coordinate everything. It's just something I do. So let's see what's included in this. All right, so I love sticky notes. I love having sticky notes in the front of my planner. So right off the bat, we get a bookmark. If I can get it out of here. Great day. This is difficult. Okay, so this says Find Your Wild. It's nice and cute there. And then we have sticky notes, and these pop right into your planner. They're pre-punched. And then we have this folder, which I always keep in the back of my planner. It says fill your heart with what's important and forget the rest. So the same thing on both sides. We have one sticker sheet that matches the wild styled. And then we have these insert pages. So it is just a weekly, I may use these for a menu planner. And you can put the week of up here, and then we just have grid on the back. It says Wild at Heart at the bottom. So I may use this as a menu planner. and a grocery list on the back. We'll see how that works out. But that's just one idea of how I might use these. All right. So now these are the dashboards, and I said in my other video that I wasn't sure which pattern of dashboards I wanted to use. So I went ahead and ordered both. Now, I'm not crazy about these. These are like the normal dashboards that they came out with. These do not go fully across your page. Like if you have your pages in your planner like this, these dashboards cut off here, so it kind of leaves a lump in your planner. I really like these full-size ones that cover up the full page so there's no lumps. But I wasn't sure about the patterns. I like these patterns better. You can see this one is rose gold foil. It says you are fearlessly authentic. This one says always believe in your wildest dreams. And then this one is just the leopard print. So I'm probably going to end up using these. But let's see what these look like. All right, so we've got, take these white pages out here. So we've got just this black and white, and then this is pink zebra print. It says fill your heart with what's important and forget the rest. And then this says don't be like the rest of them, darling. So yeah, I'm probably going to end up using, I like these better. I like the smaller ones. I just like the patterns better. So we'll see. I'll find a use for these bigger ones. All right, I've got a mess here on my desk. So I'm just going to open this block pad and show you real quick what a block pad is all about. So a block pad is 100 sheets of pages, and when they first came out with these, gosh, I think sometime last year, the middle of last year, they were not pre-punched, and now they have started punching them for us. But when you get a block pad, the back side is blank. So if you wanted to use these as paper in your planner, and I've done this before, and these kind of actually feel a little bit thinner, but you can cut the edge off of this and then attach it to the back. So you'd have to do a little bit more surgery with these. It's not as easy now that they're pre-punched to use them like I used to, but you could tape these two pages together and have them in your planner as front to back note pages, but you would have to cut this side off. So these are good just to have laying around if you need to make a quick note and just pop it in your planner. All right, the last two things are these sticker planning guides. And I've heard that these smell really, really bad, so let's see if that is true. I smell them already. Whew, yeah, I smell them already. So these are hopefully going to take the place of our wax paper. Oh, yeah, they're strong. Okay. So you get, I think you get 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you get vertical layout, dashboard layout, horizontal layout, monthly layout, and a custom blank layout. So what they are is they're just clear sheets that when you put them in your planner, you punch, or they are pre-punched, so you just stick them in your planner. And I know my light is going to mess y'all up here, but they are made so that you can pre-plan your layouts by placing your stickers on them, and then once you get your spread designed, you can start pulling your stickers off and actually committing and putting them on the paper. So these would take the place of the wax paper that I've been using. And actually the smell is, I'm sniffing them as I talk, but the smell is not that bad. It's not like blow you away and kill you, you know, knock you out with the smell. So they're not that bad. But I'm not even going to open this. This is a classic size. It's the same deal. You get the same amount. You get the vertical, dashboard, horizontal, monthly, and custom layouts. So I'm going to try these out in my next plan with me. Hopefully I'll have that posted for you later today. So that's everything. Now I just need to clean up all my trash and get my stickers chosen. And if you guys will hang tight, tomorrow I will have a plan with me for the current week in my new dashboard layout. I am also going to be doing a video showing you how I will frankenplan the two of those planners together that I just showed you. So stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider. So if you do hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the little bell beside it. Excuse me, guys. So that you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. So that's it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.